Here. Uh, y- are you guys open? What time do you guys close? 9 o'clock. All right. Sorry. Sir, I don't know what. Uh, You you sell Walton Liu? Yeah, I like to place an order. Yeah. Can I order something? Can I get burnt chicken? I want it burnt. I like crispy chicken, like burnt. It's like burnt. Like I want it brown. Hello? Yeah, cause I like burnt chicken. Do you guys got that? Uh, yeah. Can I place an order? I like I want my chicken burnt. I want my chicken burnt, like overcooked. Can you do that? I like it like burnt, like like where you leave it on the grill for a while and then it turns like really black. Can you do that? I I want, but do you? I want burnt chicken. I like to place an order. Take out. Can I get burnt chicken? Like it's like burnt. Like you leave it on the grill. I want burnt chicken. I said burnt. Like burnt. Like you leave it on the grill and then it like yeah, like burnt chicken. That's no, not mild chicken. I'm talking about burnt. Like a fire. Like burnt chicken. Yes. No, not bourbon. I'm talking about like you leave it on the grill for a while and it turns black. That like burnt. Do you guys do that? Why not? No, not that burnt chicken. Like BURNT, burnt. Like you burn a marshmallow. Uh, cause I remember this one Chinese restaurant I went to. They made me burnt chicken. And I liked it. Oh damn! No, Yeah, can I place an order? Um, yeah, no, I'm a burnt chicken. Burnt. Yeah, can I place an order? Can I I don't know how to say it. I don't know if you might understand, but burnt chicken. Can I like have burned chicken? Like burnt? No, not no. I'm talking about like burnt. Like you know what I mean? Like it's on fire and it turns black. Do you guys do that there? No, no, burnt chicken. Ah, oh, you don't have burnt chicken. Interesting. Vegetarian. Uh, yeah. I don't know. Does Pizza Hut do this? Because like, there's a Pizza Depot down where I used to live. They put like hot dogs on the pizza. I don't know. Do you guys do that there? Are you serious? Man, wow. I didn't know they actually made hot dog pizza at Pizza Hut. That's crazy. Damn. Yeah. Do you guys sell hot dogs? Damn. Damn. Right down the road, 2 hours away. Tattoo, tattoo, tattoo. There go body. There go body. There go body. I like to play some words. Do you uh hi. Do you hey, do you sell burnt chicken? No, burnt. B-U-N-T burnt like burnt. Damn. Dibbly gribe.